If you don't like cleaning but still want a spotless home, then do these 10 daily tasks. It is with joy that I welcome you to this journey of transforming your home into a haven of peace and order. Today, we're diving into 10 daily cleaning tasks for a spotless home. Imagine your home not as a source of stress, but as a sanctuary where every corner sparks joy. A clean and organized home is more than just aesthetics, it's an invitation to inner peace and clarity. First tip. Have you ever noticed how a made bed instantly elevates the entire feel of your bedroom? It's like a simple act of kindness to your future self. As you smooth the sheets and fluff the pillows, envision it as a gift of serenity for when you return at the end of the day. This small act of making your bed each morning sets a positive tone, like a ripple effect that spreads throughout your day. It whispers, "I care for myself and my space," fostering a sense of self-respect and intention. Moreover, beginning your day with this simple accomplishment brings a sense of order and control. In a world that often feels chaotic, this small act reminds you that you have the power to create beauty and order in your own little universe. It's a gentle reminder that you are capable of taking charge and shaping your environment, starting with your own personal haven. Tip 2. The kitchen, the heart of the home, deserves our loving attention. Wiping down surfaces after each use might seem trivial, but it's a powerful act of love for this space where we nourish ourselves. Imagine it as a ritual of purification, a way of honoring the food we prepare and consume. This daily practice prevents bacteria buildup, ensuring a hygienic environment for your loved ones. Just as we cleanse our bodies, let us cleanse the spaces that nurture us. Feel the smooth surface beneath your hand, free of crumbs and sticky residues. It's a sensory experience that brings a sense of peace and order. This small act of wiping down counters and stovetops is a meditation in itself, a moment to connect with your home and infuse it with positive energy. Tip 3. The bathroom, our personal sanctuary for rejuvenation, deserves a touch of daily care. A quick wipe down after each use keeps it fresh and inviting, like a mini spa retreat. Imagine the feeling of stepping into a clean and sparkling bathroom, a space that welcomes you with a sense of calm and order. This small act of care elevates your daily routine, transforming mundane tasks into moments of mindful self-care. As you wipe down the sink and countertops, visualize washing away the day's stress and fatigue. It's a symbolic act of cleansing, both physically and mentally. Embrace this moment to appreciate the simple beauty of a clean and organized space, a reflection of your inner state of peace. Tip 4. Our living spaces are a reflection of our inner world. When clutter accumulates, it's like a weight on our minds, hindering our ability to think clearly and relax fully. Take a few minutes each day to tidy up, returning items to their designated homes. This mindful act of decluttering brings a sense of lightness and spaciousness, allowing your mind to breathe. As you put things away, ask yourself, does this item spark joy? If not, consider letting it go with gratitude. Decluttering is not just about discarding items, it's about creating space for what truly matters. Visualize your living space as a canvas for peace and serenity, free from unnecessary distractions. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit subscribe if you're new here to keep the clutter-free vibes going. Plus, grab your free copy of Simplify Your Home ebook in the video description for a step-by-step guide to a clutter-free life. Let's declutter together. Tip 5. High-traffic areas like entryways and hallways are the first impression of our home. A quick sweep each day removes dust and debris, maintaining a sense of cleanliness and care. Imagine the gentle swoosh of the broom as a mindful practice, a way of connecting with your space and honoring its purpose. This small act goes beyond aesthetics. It's about creating a welcoming and healthy environment for yourself and your loved ones. As you sweep, visualize clearing away negative energy and welcoming in positive vibes. It's a symbolic act of purification, a way of inviting peace and harmony into your home. This daily ritual not only keeps your floors clean, but also extends the life of your flooring, a testament to the power of small, consistent actions. Tip 6. Laundry, a never-ending cycle, can easily become overwhelming if neglected. Instead of letting it pile up, consider incorporating it into your daily routine. Folding a small load each day or even just putting away clean clothes prevents a daunting mountain of laundry from forming. Imagine the satisfaction of opening your drawers to neatly folded clothes, a visual representation of order and self-care. This small act of staying on top of laundry brings a sense of control and accomplishment. It's a reminder that you are capable of managing your household tasks with grace and ease. As you fold each garment, Visualize infusing it with positive energy, a small act of love for yourself and your belongings. Tip 7. Mail, a daily influx of information and obligations can quickly clutter our counters and minds. Make it a habit to sort your mail as soon as you bring it inside. Recycle junk mail immediately and designate a specific spot for bills and important documents. Imagine your counter space free from clutter, a visual representation of a clear and organized mind. This small act of sorting mail prevents a buildup of unnecessary paper, creating a sense of calm and order in your home. As you sift through each piece, visualize sorting through your thoughts and priorities, clearing away mental clutter. This daily ritual is a moment to pause and connect with your responsibilities, ensuring that important matters are addressed promptly. Tip 8. Washing dishes immediately after meals might seem like a chore, but it's a powerful act of respect for your kitchen and yourself. Imagine the feeling of a clean sink and sparkling dishes, a visual representation of a fresh start. This small act prevents food from hardening and attracting pests, ensuring a hygienic and inviting space for your next culinary creation. As you wash each dish, visualize cleansing away the remnants of the day, creating a clean slate for new experiences. It's a meditative practice, a moment to connect with the simple act of cleaning and appreciate the role it plays in creating a harmonious home. Tip 9. Before retiring for the night, dedicate 15 minutes to a family cleanup routine. Tidy up common areas, put away stray items, and prepare for the next day. Imagine the feeling of waking up to a clean and organized home, a welcoming space that sets a positive tone for the day ahead. This shared ritual fosters a sense of responsibility and teamwork, creating a harmonious and supportive home environment. As you work together, visualize clearing away the day's energy and preparing for a restful night's sleep. It's a moment to connect as a family, reinforcing bonds and creating lasting memories. Tip 10. Just as we have a daily routine for personal care, establishing a cleaning schedule brings structure and ease to our home care. Assign specific tasks to different days, creating a rhythm that becomes second nature. Imagine the satisfaction of a consistently clean and organized home, a space that reflects your dedication to creating a peaceful and joyful environment. This schedule ensures that every corner of your home receives regular attention, preventing dirt and clutter from accumulating. As you follow your schedule, visualize infusing your home with positive energy, a testament to the power of consistent effort. Today we explored 10 simple yet powerful daily tasks that can transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and order. From making your bed to implementing a nightly cleaning ritual, these small acts, when done with intention, create a ripple effect that elevates your entire living experience. Remember, a clean and organized home is not just about aesthetics, it's about cultivating a sense of inner peace and clarity. I encourage you to integrate these tasks into your daily routine, one step at a time. Embrace the process, find joy in the small acts of care, and witness the transformation unfold not just in your home, but also within yourself. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to SmartLife Solutions channel. Don't miss out on your free Simplify Your Home ebook in the video description for a roadmap to a clutter-free life. Let's turn chaos into calm, one room at a time. As we conclude this journey, let's reflect on the ripple effect of our actions. Every small step you take towards organizing and cleaning your space sends positive waves through your life. Think of the joy that comes from opening a clutter-free closet, the peace that settles in your mind when you walk into a tidy room, and the sense of accomplishment that fills your heart when you see the transformation you've achieved. These are not just mundane tasks, they are acts of self-love and care. By nurturing your environment, you are, in essence, nurturing yourself. So take a moment to appreciate the beauty of your efforts and the harmony you've created. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress. Each day is an opportunity to create a sanctuary of peace and order. Embrace the journey, celebrate the small wins, and let the ripple effect of your actions enhance every aspect of your life. Thank you for joining us on this transformative path. Until next time, keep shining and keep thriving. Let's turn chaos into calm, one room at a time.